Good day, I'm Catherine May M. Arcenas, and today we are going to tackle this presentation titled Dive into the Sea of Plastics, where it is about the challenges we face in terms of plastic pollution in Asia. Asia is a significant contributor to global plastic pollution, accounting for a substantial portion of the world's plastic waste. The Philippines rank as the leading global contributor to plastic pollution, with a substantial amount of plastic waste finding its way into ocean and water bodies. Despite its breathtaking coastlines, the Philippines faces a persistent challenge of plastic pollution driven by urbanization and insufficient waste management infrastructure. Asia's extensive coastline faces severe plastic pollution impacting marine ecosystem, fisheries, and tourism with repercussions for livelihoods. Major rivers like Ganges River, which holds cultural and religious importance for millions of the Hindus in India, yet it faces a growing threat from plastic pollution. The Ganges acts as a conduit for plastic waste, transporting it downstream, ultimately affecting the Bay of Bengal and marine ecosystem. The Mekong River sustains diverse ecosystem and communities, yet it is increasingly threatened by the growing menace of plastic pollution. Plastic waste from bottles to bags is infiltrating the Mekong, posing a severe risk to aquatic life and health of the river. The Yangtze River, a vital waterway in China, faces a severe threat from plastic pollution, endangering its ecosystem and communities. Yangtze transport enormous amounts of plastic waste to the ocean, intensifying the problem. The widespread presence of microplastic in Asian water bodies is causing worries about health. This is because these tiny particles have the potential to affect both food chains and human well-being. Microscopic plastic particles, known as microplastics, pervade our surroundings, infiltrating ecosystem and becoming part of the food chain. These minuscule particles find their way into water bodies, where small marine organisms ingest them, subsequently advancing through the food chain, with larger organisms consuming smaller ones containing microplastics. There's a potential risk of these particles reaching our plates through seafood consumption. The presence of microplastics in our food raises concerns about possible health impacts, such as inflammation, cellular damage, and toxicity. Research indicates that microplastics may adversely affect the immune system, hormonal balance, and potentially contribute to long-term health issues. Rapid urbanization and changing lifestyle have led to increased plastic consumption and disposal in Asian cities. To combat this problem, Asian nations are embracing innovation, promoting biodegradable materials, and exploring eco-friendly alternatives to single-use plastics. Governments are investing in waste management infrastructures, implementing recycling programs, and advocating for responsible disposal. Communities across Asia are organizing cleanup drives, river restorations, and awareness campaigns to tackle plastic pollution locally. Asian countries are stepping up to lead global discussions and initiatives on combating plastic pollution and fostering sustainable practices. Let's support these initiatives, advocate for sustainable policies, and collectively work towards a plastic-free future in Asia and beyond. Together, let's contribute to the ongoing efforts against plastic pollution in Asia.